Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you in ASP.NET how to create a folder dynamically and upload multiple images into that folder. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I am creating a new ASP.NET application. Go to File, New Project, and from the web templates, I am selecting ASP.NET Web Application, and the .NET Framework I am using 4.6.1. The application name is Directory Create Upload Images. Click OK. I'm selecting empty from the templates. OK. And the project is created successfully. Open Solution Explorer. Now in this project I'm adding a new web form page. Right click the project name, add web form. The page name is create folder images upload. Okay. And here we got the source page of the create folder images upload page. Now between this form and due tag I'm adding center tag h1 create folder dynamically and upload images multiple images. Horizontal line. After the horizontal line, I am adding one text box control and one button control to create a new folder or directory. Let's add those ones. Open toolbox, text box control, enter folder name. I'm changing the text box ID text folder name. The second control I'm adding the button control. Open toolbox, button control. And the button control I'm changing the property to create folder. After that, horizontal line. After that I'm adding one label control to display the message if the folder is created or not. Let's add the label control. Open toolbox, label control, and from this label control I'm deleting the property text. Again I'm adding horizontal line. Now my next condition is after we created the folder dynamically, we have to add multiple images into that folder. So let's add the file upload controller and one button controller and one label controller. Open toolbox, file upload controller, button controller. I'm changing the button text upload images horizontal line. After the horizontal line I'm adding a label control. The selected image files are uploaded or not. Let's open toolbox, label control, and from this label control I'm deleting the property text is equals to label. And here one important property I'm adding in the file upload controller, which is allow multiple is equals to true. If you don't add this property allow multiple is equals to true, the file upload control selects only one file only. That's it. We have done the designing part. Let's switch to the design mode. Let's create a new folder. To create the button control, create folder, double click that one. And here we got the button click event. First in this code behind I'm adding the namespace using system.io namespace. After adding this io namespace, Now in this button click event, string create folder is equals to server.mapPath string dot format method between double quotes tilt between forward slashes. I am adding the expression 0 comma. The second parameter is the object. The object, we are getting the file name from the text box control. Let's add the text box id text folder name dot text property. Now before adding the folder into the project, I want to check that folder name is exist or not. So for that I am using if condition. If not, directory dot exist create folder. In this if condition, if the directory is not exist, so if the directory is not exist, create the directory dot create directory. I'm adding create folder object. After that I want to display the message the directory is created. For that we have used the label control. Label1 dot text is equals to folder plus plus with double quotes text folder name dot text is created successfully, and I want to display this message in a green color. Label1 dot for color is equals to system dot drawing dot color dot green. Else, if the folder is already exists in the project, I want to display the message the folder name is already available. So let's copy this one. Instead of writing again, folder is already exists, and I want to display that message in a red color dot red. That's it. The first condition, we have created the folder dynamically. Let's clear the label condition. Label1 dot text is equals to empty, as well as I'm clearing the label 2 also. Label2 dot text. So when page loads, the label 1 and 2 will be cleared. Now my next condition is, once the project is created successfully, I want to save multiple images only in the project folder. So let's switch back to the designing part. Now this time click the upload images. It will generate the button to click event. String image extension is equals to path dot get extensions file upload one dot file name. Before upload the selected files into the folder, I want to check the selected files are the images only. So if image extension double equals to .jpg or image extension double equals to .png or image extension double equals to .gif. In this if condition, if the files are the extensions .jpg, png or gif, let's upload those files. So I'm using for each load, so we are selecting the multiple files. So http posted file selected images is the object in file upload one dot posted files string image names is equals to path dot get file name selected images dot file name. Once we got the file names, I want to save those file names, so selected images dot save as method server dot map path in double quotes forward slash plus plus between double quotes forward slash. Now between this plus plus I'm adding the folder name. Now here we are getting the folder name from the text box control. So let's add the text box ID, text box folder name dot text plus image names. And one important point is, notice when I press enter, you got a gaps here. So make sure don't give any gaps. Once the selected images are uploaded into the folder, I want to display the message label2.text is equals to string.format method. Between double quotes I'm adding the expression images are saved into plus plus successfully, comma, and the second parameter is the object is an array. Objects we are getting from the image files we are getting from the file upload controller. File upload one dot posted files dot count property. Now between this plus plus, the folder name we are getting from text folder name dot text property. That's it. And I want to display this message in a green color. Label 2 dot for color is equals to system dot drawing dot color dot green, else label 2 dot text is equals to only the dot jpg dot png dot gif files are allowed. Label 2, I want to display this in a red color. For color is equals to system dot drawing dot color dot red. That's it, we have done the complete coding part. First we'll create a new folder dynamically. After that we'll upload the multiple image files into that folder. Let's check the results on the Google Chrome. And here we got the output of that code, create folder dynamically and upload multiple images. Let's enter folder name. img is a folder name I want to create. But before create the folder, let's check in my project application, show all files. I don't have any img folder name. Let's create the new folder in this project. Create folder, and here we got a message folder img is created successfully. Let's check in the project also, show all files. Again show all files, and notice the img folder is created. Now my next step is we'll upload multiple images into this folder. Let's do that one also. Choose files. I'm selecting 3 images, 1, 2 and 3 images. I have selected multiple images. Open. Here we got 3 files, and you can notice the image names in the tooltip. Let's upload those images, and see here we got a message 3 images are saved into img successfully. Let's check. in the image folder, show all files. See, that's it.